So when we're looking at decking, anytime I go out and I meet with a homeowner, one of the questions that comes up pretty quickly is what surface do you want the deck to be made out of? So what product are we going to be using on your deck surface itself? The typical choices are going to be your treated lumber, so a number 2 pine, a 5/4 deck board, or a composite material, something like TimberTech or Trex. The comparison between those two is if we install a treated lumber on your deck, you're going to want to let it breathe for about 6 months before you stain it, and then you need to stay on top of that maintenance. So almost yearly you want to go out there and apply a new coat of stain to that deck, versus a composite material. It can get installed and it's ready to go right away. You don't have to stain it. The maintenance on it is very simple. It's a simple spraying down of water and brushing down the deck to get it clean. A wood material is a natural product, so there's going to be a lot of imperfections in that material. It will expand and contract much more than a composite material. It breaks down faster than a composite material does. In fact, the composite materials that we install, the TimberTech composite material, it will often outlast the framing that the deck is built on. Definitely, there's a little bit more of an upfront cost with a composite material than there is with a wood, but in the long run, you have a deck that's going to be there for 30, 40 years versus a wood deck that may only last 10 to 15.